Hello students. Today we are going to start some questions from exercise 18.3 of your Viva reference book. So let's come to question number 1 of the same exercise. First one, question number 1 we are going to solve. I'll go through the question first. The radius of a right circular cylinder is 7 centimeter and its height is 14 centimeter. So what is the situation you are getting? It is a cylindrical shape. Right cylinder you have given, whereas the radius of this cylinder, that is radius has given here, that is equal to 7 centimeter, and height it has given, this is the height, that height has given 14 centimeter. Now you have asked to find its curved surface area and total surface area. So what is the formula for the curved surface area? Curved surface area means we are going to put the rings only. On what? On the height, given height. So for the ring, what we have to find out? Definitely we will go for the circumference. Yes. So let's go for the solution of the same. Curved surface area equal to how much it will be? Definitely 2 pi r. Yes. And the 2 pi r, how much? To the height. So into height. That is the curved surface. We are not talking about the base, not talking about the top. So what it will be? Let's put the values of these. 2 into 22 by 7 for the pi, and radius of this question which has been given, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Yes, and height has given 14 centimeter. So it will become centimeter square. Let's go for cancellation. Yes, after cancelling this, what you are getting? Let it be. So, yes, we are getting what? 616 centimeter square. That is what the curved surface of this cylinder. Now you have asked what will be the total surface area. So for the total surface area, what more we have to include with this? We have got the curved part. Now I need this top, that means the lid and the base of this cylinder. If I can add these two, I will get the total surface area. Yes, and what will be these two? For the total surface area, what we have to add? That is top and the base, and that is what the area of this. So how much it will be? That will be pi r square. How many times? For 2 times. That 2 are identical. So total surface area that is equal to curved surface area and base and top. So that is equal to, already we have got the curved surface area. With that I am going to add that much centimeter square plus 2 pi r square. Yes. So what is the value of 2 pi r square? Let's add this one. It's 616 centimeter square plus 2 into pi is 22 by 7, and r is, here it has given 7 into 7, that much centimeter square. So let's cancel them. What we are getting? 616 centimeter square plus this one is what? 44 into 7. So 44 into 7 means we are getting here, okay, this is for the two of the circles, that much centimeter square. Let's add them. What we are getting? Yes, that much what? Centimeter square. Let's come to the next question of the same exercise. The next question I have taken here from the same exercise, that is question number 5. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of the cylindrical vessel, which is 10 meter deep. If it is painted at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, then you find out the inner curved surface area of the vessels. So here one thing is clear from this question, the total cost for painting this one, that is given 2200 rupees, whereas the cost of per meter square will be rupees 20. So if I am dividing the total cost by the cost of painting per meter, that per meter square, then we will get what? We will get that total surface area, inner surface area. So here come to this question. Here the inner curved surface area. We are asking for the inner curved surface area, and only the inner curved surface only has been painted. So here that will be, that is the total cost paid, total cost of painting by cost of painting per meter square, per meter square. Yes or no? Let's put the values for this. So total cost of painting what given here, that is 2200 rupees, by cost of painting per meter square has given, that is equal to rupees 20. So when we are cancelling these two, what we are getting, that is equal to 110. So that is what, that much meter square is the surface area of that cylindrical shape. Now come to the lower part of this question. Here you have asked the radius of the base. Here in this case you have asked the radius of the base. Now we can write as the, by the formula of the curved surface area, curved surface area, that is equal to what? Curved surface means we are talking about 2 pi r into the height. Yes. So that one, according to the question, that is equal to 110 meters square. Yes or no? Yes. So here you have asked to find out the value of r, that means radius. Whereas h we know that is the height. Here it has been given the height of this shape, that is given 10 meter. Okay. So let's come to this one. So r equal to, we can write 110 meters square by 2 pi into h. Yes. Let's put the other values, it is 110 into, from the pi I will take 7 here, and here it is 2 into 22 into 10. So that much meter. Let's cancel them. Yes. 11 2s are, so what we are getting here 7 by 4 meter, which will be how much? Let's go for the division. We can write the answer in decimal here. So 7 divided by 4, so 4 1 here. Then put a decimal, 7 4s are 28, 2 then 0, then 4 5s are 20. So my answer will be, here it is 1.75. That much what? Say, that much meter here. It is given in, that unit has been given in meter. So here the diameter, so the radius of this cylinder, its base, the radius of the base will be, here it will be 1.75 meter. Let's come to the last question of the same exercise. Here the last question of the exercise, question number 11. First we go through the question. In this question you have asked, a cylindrical vessel is open at the top, has a base of diameter 21 centimeter. Okay, and height is 14 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating its inner part at the rate of rupees 5 per 100 centimeter square. So one clue has given here. You are asking for the whole inner part. That means not only the surface, that curved surface. Here we are going for the base also. So how much area it will be? First we have to find it out. So if this shape is something like that, it is open from the top. Yes. It is open here. So here I have to include this base and that curved part, that curved surface, inner part. Here in this question, diameter has given, that diameter it has been given 21 centimeter, and height has given, height for the same has been given 14 centimeter. Let's go for the area to paint, or inner part, area of the inner part for tin plating equal to how much? First I will take the base. For the base what I will take? Pi r square, the base only. Then with that I will take the curved surface. So that is equal to what? It will be 2 pi r into h. Yes. So let's put all the value. Whereas r will be how much? 21 by, r will be 21 by 2, and h it has given 14. That is both are in centimeter. Okay, let's put these data and Let's see what we are getting. 22 into 7, 22 by 7 into, here it will be 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. This is the radius, that much centimeter square, plus here it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is what, 21 by 2, and height is what, 14. That much centimeter square. Yes, let's cancel them. What we are getting, then we will check it. Yes, so let's multiply. Here it is 33 into, or you can go for 11 into 63 centimeter square, plus this one is what I am getting, it is, let it be 22 into 42 centimeter square. So here it is, yes, then here it is coming, okay, by 2 I have, then here it is coming 22, yes, nothing to cancel, so that much centimeter square. So here if I am changing this one to decimal, I am getting here 2 3z, 2 4z, 2 6z, then 0.5 centimeter square plus 924 centimeter square equal to, let's add these two, it will be definitely 0.5, then here 10, yes, 9 plus 3, it will be 12. That much what, centimeter square. Here we are going to painting that much area or plating this much area by the tin. Now what will be the cost to plating this much area by tin? So let's come to the next part of this question, whereas per 100 centimeter square it has the cost of rupees 5. It has been given in the next part of this question. Okay, so cost of plating 100 meter square equal to rupees 5. We can write from the given question, it is centimeter square, not meter square. So cost of plating 1 centimeter square equal to rupees 5 by 100, or cost of plating, how much area we have, 1270.5 centimeter square equal to rupees 5 by 100 into 1270.5 centimeter square. Let's multiply them. What we are getting? Yes, it is 5 5s are 25, then it is 2, 5 7 is 35, carries 3, 5 12 is 60 plus 3. Here one decimal was there for the rupees, so my answer will be what, 63.52 rupees. That will be the total cost of plating that inner surface of this cylinder. Yes, I hope you are clear about these questions. So let's try to solve the remaining question. Thank you.